So good afternoon everyone, it is Mitchell aka The Walk in Orlando, and welcome back here to Busch Gardens in Tampa. It's been the first time we've been back in, I want to say, about 6 or 7 months. So we are back. I'm here with Kayla. I'm also here with my mom, who has never been to Busch Gardens, so it's gonna be an absolutely fantastic time. We're gonna try to get on as many attractions as we can today, try to do as much ride, show you guys around a little bit, also talk about Iron Gwazi, which still is not opening until March of next year. So make sure you guys are subscribed, leave a like, and stick around for today's Busch Gardens Adventures. Busch Gardens Adventures. Oh. Well, I kind of got a little bit of a disappointment walking in. So it's coming into the park, as you're coming up to where they check your tickets, right behind us, they have a board that always talks about what is not going to be open today. I was looking at it and it's like the Sky Ride, which I understand. I think they're still doing some, updates to it and everything. But the biggest thing is Chick-fil-a and Cobra's Curse are closed today. So unfortunately we'll be able to go on those, but we can still ride Cheetah Hunt, Montu, Kumba, Tigris, all the other stuff we can try to get on today as well. Hopefully it's not too busy. Kayla's in line for the disability pass right now. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna head over to Cheetah Hunt first, because the first time my mom has been back to Busch Gardens in many, many years. It's like it's also the first time we've been back since 6 months from now. So it's been 6 months since the last time we came. So I think we're gonna do Cheetah Hunt first, maybe try to do Montu. Cobra's Curse looks delayed, but it also said it wasn't open, so we'll see about that. I always love you can sit under here, and it looks like it's about to launch. There it goes. And then it's about to go up to the second launch, heading up to the figure 8s. Same company that built this are the same ones who built Velocicoaster out at Universal, so kind of gives you an idea of why this ride is so good. Alright, so Cheetah Hunt's only posting a 15-minute wait, so like here you have to put your stuff into a locker. So I'm gonna go buy a locker to switch it for the day, and I'm gonna switch you guys to the GoPro because I do have the GoPro with me today. Why did it feel so much slower than normal?
That hurts so bad on top.
Wow. So I wonder if I'm just a little spoiled now with the Velocicoaster, because Cheetah Hunt felt very slow. We were in the very back, but it felt a lot slower than it had been the last few times I've ridden it, actually. So I think maybe it's just like the whole Velocicoaster thing is now used to riding it because it's faster, but I still like that ride. I still love Cheetah Hunt.
We'll tell you that you're going to want to focus your eyes to the far back left. You'll see that camouflage gate. That's going to open up with all of you helping me with the countdown. We're going to count down from 5, and it's going to open up on 1, giving Kiara the chance to chase after this bundle of feathers. Are you ready to see a cheetah run? Yay! One more time. You ready to see a cheetah run? Yeah! Very good. Here we go, everybody. Count down loudly with me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wow.
A la mierda.
And then down on the edge.
Marico, ni me dio chance de grabar.
It's so funny because she's literally a cat. She's just chasing the feathers. You know?
We got to see the training session over here for the cheetahs, which is actually pretty cool. The cheetah run is probably one of my favorite things they do here because that whole area is themed really well, and the fact that you have the cheetah, you have cheetah hunt going behind it and everything, it really kind of adds to that like theming that they have. Well, just heading on over here to check out a little bit of Iron Gwazi, which again still is not officially opened yet, but it is complete and we have an opening time frame. It will be opening in March of next year. So come March, we'll be walking up here and finally being able to ride Iron Gwazi. I have been waiting for so long for this ride to open. It is, I mean, most Rocky Mountain rides are just absolutely insane, but this got pushed back quite a lot due to the pandemic, some financial things. Finally got an opening time frame for Iron Gwazi. I do love how they have that set up where literally you walk up, you have the where the train will come out of the station, but the actual entrance area, it's actually around the corner right here, right at the old entrance to Gwazi. And you see they got their wait time sign all set up and everything. You can see they've already got their express machine ready to start accepting people, and they have lockers already set up. So, still got a little bit of time before this will come in for it. It's become North America's tallest hybrid coaster, but it'll be the world's fastest and the world's steepest hybrid coaster. So I'm real excited when it finally does debut and we can finally ride it. Also, right outside of the excursion shop, you have the macaws. Usually it's always a red or a blue one, but it looks like they got two of the red guys out here. They're very noisy today. I don't know why they're so noisy. They're very complaining today. That's what it is. We'll kind of like step over here into the Stanleyville area where Tigris is, and like I said, unfortunately it looks like because with Chica being down today, it's much quieter up here than normal. So maybe Tigris may have a shorter wait, or on the flip side, it could have a longer wait because of Chica being down. But really do like Chica a lot, being the North America's first dive coaster and first dive coaster to actually go 90 degrees. Walking up on Tigris, there's actually no line right now. It's actually kind of interesting to see how empty that actually is. So they could literally walk right on, but we are looking for food. I was curious to see what the wait time was, how busy it was, and yep, no one in line. Not a single person in line. Oh my gosh! Wow! I hit out slow going through that road. Good God, that ride. That is a very, I haven't been on that in so long, I forgot how intense it is. Like, it's a lot of fun, don't get me wrong, but damn. But also there's no wait for it, that's why you didn't see me like talk about it before going up to it, because as soon as I walked up, they were loading me onto the ride, and also there's no line. So Kayla and my mom didn't want to ride it because it was a little too intense for them. So they went up here because here at Busch Gardens they now have a Chick-fil-A in the Jungala area. So they went up and ordered us food. Well, Kayla got me food and we're gonna have lunch really quick. Then they were gonna do Kumba and then try to do a couple other little things here probably before calling it a day, because the big two things I really want to do are Cobras, Curse, and Shikra. Both those are closed today, unfortunately. So I would highly recommend not doing the Chick-fil-A at Busch Gardens. I was actually really excited about it because normally Chick-fil-A is not super expensive. I know the ideology is who they send money to, but when it comes to theme park stuff, even if it was upcharged like like maybe a couple extra dollars, like, because like Kayla just ordered our entire meal that we had just now. She ordered at a Chick-fil-a down the road. It's $18. So if it'd been like $25, it would have been that big of a deal, but it was $40, no combos, no refills on the drink, no nothing. So I would recommend maybe eat at the barbecue place next to Tigris. I would recommend that more than this. After a very disappointing lunch, Kayla's still hungry. So it's just kind of, I was so excited for that because I thought it'd be a cool addition. Even, I understand it was gonna be a little more expensive, but $40 for 2 sandwiches, a large fry, and 2 drinks. There's no reason it should be that expensive, honestly. So I think I'm a little more upset because the fact that 2 of the big main rides I wanted to ride are down today. And I was excited for Chick-fil-a. I was like, oh, you know, at least I can still get to do the Chick-fil-a, and then it was disappointing. So I really say, yeah, I would say anything else besides that. Like I said, the barbecue place is great. It's not the best barbecue like you ever had, but for being theme park barbecue, it's usually actually pretty damn good. And then there's the Dragonfire Grill, where actually my mom went off to because she was not doing the Chick-fil-A prices here. Really, honestly, we shouldn't have done either, but unfortunately Kayla had already ordered and didn't know how much it was until literally they rang it up, and no one really kind of gave the expectation of what it was. So I know I keep going on about the Chick-fil-A thing, but it's just, if you're gonna add something, you know, let everyone know that it's not the same as a normal Chick-fil-A. Tell you, it is kind of fun riding these rides again because I forget how much fun Kumba is. Kumba is one of the older coasters here, and yet it still packs a really good punch because it just feels like you're just upside down almost majority of that ride pretty much. So but now we're gonna head on over. We're gonna try to see if we can jump onto the train to ride it around to see all the stuff, and I think from there we might call it from there because it is about 3:30, we got here about 12 o'clock. We've been almost here 4 hours. So it's my mom's first time being back since, for about a couple of years, actually about 15 to 20 years now, she said. So, but yeah, Kumba, that was something else. So we might be heading out of Busch Gardens just at the right time. It looks like, might be some rain rolling in. Now, but it is Florida, so this could look like it's gonna rain, but never actually rain though. It's very much how Florida weather tends to go. Alright, so we are going to go ahead and call it a trip out here to Busch Gardens here in Tampa. Like I said, it was just kind of a nice day. It was a nice day. We didn't get Sheikra and or Cobra's Curse because those were down for the day, unfortunately. But we did get on Cheetah hunt, got to see the Cheetah run thing, got to go on to Tigris and Kumba. So these amount of things. Also got to try out the Chick-fil-A. Would not recommend that Chick-fil-A here, so just FYI. But yeah, still really good day. Looks like the rain's about to move in, so we better go head on out before it hits. So with all that being said, we did have a fantastic trip from Busch Gardens. We'll see y'all next time. But yeah, still really good day. Looks like the rain's about to move in, so we better go head on out before it hits. So with all that being said, we did have a fantastic trip.